Delhi. I'm coming.
Searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes, your kisses.
अभी रोकना और साइड कर दो नेक्स्ट
हाय बोलो भैया, हाय बोलो।
Traffic right now. This is my one-day trip in Delhi. Hoping to have fun, lots of fun, and I'll be back in Bangalore. Good morning. Hi, Anu. My hair is a mess right now. I know that. So I want to share a joke with all of you, but I know most of you won't understand because that's in my language. So all the Tripura people will understand. My mother is very poor in technology, so I was showing her this Google voice search and she was so amazed and she was like, yeah, oh Google robots, wow, it's a very funny dialogue.
सुल्तान के फाइट सीन है ना लास्ट पे वैसे उसी उसमें स्टेडियम में है अच्छा
इसको क्या बोलते हैं भैया?
इसको
ये जो आप बना रहे हो
वेट कर दो
ऐसे स्वीट पोटैटो चाट कुछ ऐसे है क्या?
चाट
हाँ।
That's what.
इश्क का छाया खुमार ये दिल परदेसी हो गया Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark.